Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making fluffy slime.
And the shaving cream will make it fluffy.
Hello everybody, my name is Kaden. And my name is Kaylee. We're the Crazy K Kids. Welcome to our channel. We have blue, a dark blue, and a light blue food coloring. Light blue glitter and dark blue glitter, charms, some shaving cream, and today our activator is going to be being borax.
And I'm going to be using the same glue as her. I'm going to be using yellow glitter because, well, I was going to use lime glitter, but I couldn't find the lime, so I just used yellow because it's light yellow. And then I have dark green food dye and the lime food dye. And I also have the dark green glitter. And then we have the shaving cream, which makes it fluffy
slime. So to make it fluffy, you can either add shaving cream, foaming hand soap, or lotion, and it becomes really soft and fluffy. So let's get started. Before we start making slime, these crazy art glues are $4 for $1, and the regular Elmer's glue is $2 for $1 since it's back to school. So go get your glue now at Walmart. Now let's get started. So we first add the glue.
It makes so many bubbles, like when you plunge it. It's like you're plunging a toilet, but instead you're squeezing a glue bottle. It makes no sense.
What?
I
don't know. That's why our name is the Crazy K Kids.
Yeah, well, our channel, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, I think I got all of it.
I'm still going.
Same. So I'm going to be making a fluffy ocean slime. So I've got a dark blue and a light blue. So I'm going to add the light blue first.
Yeah, blue.
Actually, I'm going to add the dark blue.
Hand sanitizer, it's glue.
Do that for prank. Their hands
yeah.
Clear.
And then like all the oil comes off your hands and it's like really weird.
That did not really make a change.
So I'm gonna do it.
You gotta add double dark blue. 1, 2, double. Oops.
So
mixing, just keep mixing.
Oh,
mixing.
This one looks like black when you put it in the food dye, and this one looks like black with yellow spots. You can see.
This is what it looks like so far.
So I still gotta mix mine, but then we're adding everything except for the fluffy stuff. I don't want to add in all the glitter on my hand.
It's gonna be such a pretty color. I can't wait for once it's all mixed in. Cause look at it right now, and I haven't even.
Mine is jungle banana slime. I don't know why I just came up with that. It looks like banana tree slime.
Cause like so this is my color.
Banana tree slime.
Oops, I got some on the edge.
I'm gonna mix it and then I'm gonna add the fluffy slime.
So,
oh my gosh, look! It looks like so
next,
cool.
I'm going to add in my glitters. And I also got these at Walmart.
Most of this stuff came from Walmart. Like, almost all of it. Like, the shaving cream came from Walmart.
Blue came from Walmart.
The glitter came from Walmart. Okay, I have like
foam beads in our last
dark
video
line.
Came from Walmart too.
Okay, I gotta open it. Take the cap off. Wait, what? What am I doing?
Why are you twisting?
I don't know.
Look, it's so shiny.
So you add in the fluffy slime like you have seen.
And it's so
Mix it in.
soft.
And you can add in fluffy slime when your slime is already activated. So basically,
You mean
what
shaving
do-
cream, not fluffy slime?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, fluffing to slime to fluffy slime.
Yeah, it doesn't make fluffy. Well, it
Oh,
is
that
fluffy.
that's how much.
You can add in shaving cream to slime to make it even fluffier after it's activated. If you make it into like a square, and then you put the shaving
And
cream
this
in
is
the
actually
middle.
good because I didn't want this as dark as it was, but since the shaving cream's white, it's gonna lighten it up.
So, and after you do that, you close it up to make it look like a sack, and then you mix it together so you don't get as messy as like you would.
What if the sack breaks on you?
Well, then you're gonna have a bad day.
So this is my shade of blue.
And this
This is
my
the shade I was hoping
slime.
for.
My slime. Make it lighter.
This is my
Oh
color.
my gosh.
Baby in the background.
Yeah, making some noise.
Make some noise.
I'm just gonna wash. I got shaving cream on my hands, so the best thing to do is wash your hands with shaving cream.
Weirdo.
Yeah.
Totally.
First I wash my hands with glue. Next I wash my hands with shaving cream. What can I wash my hands with next?
And then shove it all in your hair, and then that'd be
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Or you can use like
That was a lot of glitter.
like a slime thing. You could use like
Look at how much glitter I added.
oh my gosh.
That's a lot of glitter.
Mine looks like there's glue in it. Like it's weird. See, there's like this looks like glue when it's
So
not
next,
dry.
I'm going to add my charms.
Okay.
And since I'm going to be making an ocean slime, I have this cool mermaid charm. Put these.
I wish it would stay like this, my slime. Like stay
So I'm
white
going to
and
add just a
green.
little bit more shaving.
That would be so awesome.
I don't
How
know.
would you make two colors of a slime together?
You make two different slimes and then you marble it.
Well,
So like you take it into a strip and then you twist it
yeah.
and then you do an insta swirl and then it like little pieces of it show up so like it's marbled and it's super cool.
Marbled. Like the cake.
Aw. Like the chocolate. What's your
it's-
favorite flavor of cake?
Oh yeah. Mine's velvet. Mine's red velvet.
So
It's basically
mine-
chocolate, but red, and it tastes better.
So me and Kate both made a cake once.
Yeah.
Mine was strawberry flavored, but I added lemon frosting, and it was delicious.
Mine was
That's all cake.
mine was a red velvet cake.
That's a lot of
That's
sugar.
actually the first time I ever tried red velvet was on that cake. So I liked it. Oh my gosh, Kaylee. That looks like an iceberg with like
This is more.
that looks like an iceberg with like the ocean. Like the ocean, like
Oh, like a floating iceberg on an ocean.
it would be like in Minecraft, like there would be like snow and ice. Like the
So since we're using borax, the solution for borax is a half a teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. So that's a whole teaspoon to 2 cups of water. So, and a tip when you go in with your hands, if you rub a little borax on your hands, and then you play with it, because then it won't stick to your hands, and then you won't have a big goopy mess.
yeah.
Well,
Some people like messes. And some people just like don't want to clean them up. Like me. I do not want to clean up my room.
Yes.
But it is clean right now. So, yeah.
If feel like I need to go in with my hands now.
Oh my gosh,
Seems
the
like it
spoon is so
works.
long. Oh no, the spoon rips.
So I accidentally overactivated my slime, so I add a little bit more glue. So it's always good to have just a tiny bit of glue left, but just a tiny bit. So just in case you overactivate, you don't have to get a whole nother glue bottle.
Hey, Kaylee, don't you need more shitting?
Okay. What you did to it?
Nothing. I put the lid back on. Oh my gosh. It looks like the forest with snow in it. That makes no
I
sense.
feel like we should do a pranking video.
Oh yeah, we should.
Comment down below if you want to see a pranking video.
We're already at Prank Wars.
Just on our family.
Yeah. It's me and Kaylee versus my mom and dad.
Parents versus kids.
Yeah, Prank Wars.
And then the baby is on mom and dad's side. It's like she's just going to slow us down.
Yeah,
But then mom and dad have an advantage.
yeah, but...
Poopy diapers.
Oh my gosh. You want to taste some of my soapy thingy?
So I think white slime is done.
And look at mine. It's wrapped around the spoon, and I don't know if I can get it off. I
So here-
haven't got
my
my
slime.
slime yet, but that'll change.
So sparkly.
Okay, that wasn't
Sparkly.
That was actually a good idea.
We're finished with our slimes. Mine's so glittery.
Mine is hard to use glitter.
You know what time it is now?
Time for
Slime 5.
I just gotta wait till you put it. Yay!
What is it gonna make? I might not like this color. I feel like it's gonna make green. I'm gonna make them.
Yeah,
This is so I'm gonna marble it.
marble. It's a marble, not marvel. Wink, wink. Oh man, that was so cool.
Right. Hope you liked today's video.
Thanks.
For watching, and don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
comment down below what video you want to see next.